Okay, so today we're gonna do a new series we're starting off on my channel, and it's called Clean With Me. So Clean With Me series, and this series I'm just gonna do quick cleanups or detailed cleanup, how I clean my house and what I do, what I use. So I'm just gonna vacuum the entire room, and we're just doing a quick vacuum. Reason for the vacuum is we're actually spending the weekend over at my mom's place, and I want to make sure when I come back the house is clean. The kids eat upstairs. The downstairs is already clean. I'll probably do the Clean With Me downstairs as well. So this is a quick one. We're not going to clean out the dust or anything. We're just going to do vacuum all the rooms upstairs, and yeah, that's about it. So let's